Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how we can make storyboards using Canva.com. It is a very simple and easy task, and you just have to follow the video to make a wonderful storyboard for your scenarios which you have made for your HCR reports or anything else. So the first task is to click the create a design button, and now you can search here as well, or you can see that you have already written a storyboard here. You can see when we will search storyboards, and we will find the storyboard here like this, and you just have to click it, and we will go to a new template. Okay, so over here on this web page, you can see that we have a templates bar here with elements, uploads, text, and more button, which is exactly the same which I have shown you in other videos. So let me start with the template. You can see that if you want to make a, a template for some education purposes or anything else, you can find it here as well. You can find wonderful templates like basic exercise benefits, video blog storyboards, or any related to geographic role in conflicts. Uh, Let me start with this template which I have used before. It is a beautiful template which we can use to see how we can make storyboards. Okay, so when we will click on the template, we can see that it is asking for apply all three pages or select only one page. So I will select apply all three pages, and you will see that I have all the three pages here. uh, yeah, so we have a wonderful template here. It shows that what a storyboard is and how we can make a storyboard with beautiful animations and characters. So what is a storyboard? A storyboard contains a sequence of illustrations and includes dialogue and descriptions using the somebody wanted but so then format. Okay, so you are challenged to recall important plot details and invited to wonder about the concepts of conflict and resolution. So you can see here is that we have a number of boxes here, uh, which shows that somebody wanted but so then format. Okay, the first box shows is that who is your main character. So you can write about somebody, you can name it, you can write hi, I am John, and you can write his description here. Then you will write what he wanted, so you will tell well what John actually wanted. For example, if he uh, wanted to have a PlayStation or a mobile phone device, or he wanted to perform a project, or he wanted to make a UI design, you will write here what actually John wanted. You can also add the description of the project or the thing he wanted. Then, but in the phrase, we will write what actually happened. Here you will describe the obstacles that prevents the character from meeting his or her goal. So you have a goal of making a project, and your character John he wanted to make that project. But what happened is the obstacles, what actually happened, like he didn't have the resources to make the project, or he didn't have enough time to make the project. So after that, so in the so format, we will explain how this obstacle was resolved. So so we will basically write how the obstacle was resolved, and how John was able uh, to make progress in his project, and how did he find a solution for his project. You can also write the description here. Then in the then phase, we will write the one sentence starting the ending of the story. So it is basically one sentence which will show that John then how did John was able to resolve the obstacle, and then what actually happened, and he was able to complete his project in our case. you can also write the description here. So this is a template how we can make our own storyboard. Let's go to the next page. In the next page you can see that we have an already given template where we can place our characters and play and fill in the colors. You're the first in the on the topmost area you can see that your storyboard title here. We will write our title here. Then in the next box we have somebody. We will introduce our main character. In the wanted phase we will write that state the motivation of the main character and what is his or her goal. So in the wanted phase we will write the motivation of the main character and what is his or her goal. In the bird phase, we will write describe the obstacle that prevents the character from meeting his or her goal. After that, we will write in the so phase, we will write explain how this obstacle was resolved. And in the then phase, we will write one sentence stating the ending of the story. So on the next page, we can find beautiful characters and and a resource page link as well. You can use these characters in over here to make your storyboard complete. So let us make a storyboard using these characters. So I will go here and the first step is to write our storyboard title. So I will write like what is the title of our storyboard. Okay, so we will write our title, which can be any uh, John's project. Okay, so I have also an interesting thing to note here is that we can use this box here, um, this colored box here, and we can just simply click on this box and we will copy paste this in our template. Okay, so we can use here, we will just by control V we can have our box like this. So what we will do is that we will uh, send it backwards so that our topic can be seen. Okay, so now just adjust it a little bit to make it more clear and visible. Okay, so you can also uh, place it in the middle. So you can just also adjust it by clicking here. Okay, so okay, now we will just color the boxes. We can use we have when we click here on the box we can see that we can find three colors. These are actually the boundary colors of this box, and this is the color in the center, which is white. We have to change this color, so I will color it with this uh, color. Okay, then I will select the color of this box with this color, and this box I can color this with this color. Okay, so like this. Yeah, it looks cool, I think, this color. Okay, now it looks cool. So in in the character we can use these characters because our character is a male character, so I can use it. uh, I can use these characters. So a little information about the resource page is that create your character with these buildable illustrations. For more options, type this. You can actually copy paste it in the element search bar. Okay, so just copy. We just have to copy paste uh, this in the search bar, basically in the element search bar. So we have to first go into the elements bar, uh, and then we have to paste it here. Okay, so you can see that there are more characters with more interesting features which we can use in our storyboards. So I will use uh, these I will use these characters to introduce. First of all, I will use this character. Okay, so we just have to adjust it a little bit. Okay, and place it like this. Cool. Now we have to select a face. So what we the face is coming in front of the body, so we have to send it backwards. Okay, now just a little bit of adjusting, and we have our character done. So now we will use this box, this chat box here, and we just copy paste it in front of our character. Okay, so cool. Now just adjust it a little bit, and it looks fine. Okay, now for the text, we can uh, we can copy paste the text button from here and just paste it. Okay, so we have now our character box. uh, right. Hi. I I am John. Okay, you can write anything about John. uh, you just have to remove this somebody clause, and you can also delete it here and just readjust this. So you can introduce a character like John is a high school student. High school student. Okay, you can also delete this. Okay, cool. Now in the next we can uh, use other characters as well, but I want to use the same character, so uh, I would be able to find this. Let's find character looking thing like I have used before. Okay, so first of all, uh, um, this character. Okay, so I can use for a sitting posture. I will use this face and a body shape like this. Okay, so we'll just copy paste here like this. Cool. Now it is already going behind the body, so we don't have to click on send backward or forward. So what John wanted, John actually, we will use another chat box here. We can choose any color we like. I will choose this color. Actually, this color. Okay, so I will just click like this, and we will find our wanted chat box. Okay, we'll just copy paste here. Cool. Now we can write here what John wanted. So we can delete this clause, and we can just write John. John wanted to perform. John wanted to complete his project, his science project actually. Okay, so we can also increase the font size to make it a little visible. Okay, we can adjust it like this. Actually, we can write this in the description beneath the box, and here we can write like what John is saying. So John is actually, we can just copy paste it here, and here we can write, I really need to complete my science project in time. So he's running out of time and he wants to complete his project on time. This is what is actually our main theme. So in in the next in the next phase we can write about, but he didn't have time to complete his project because of his other duties. Then so what happened, one of his friends helped him, or he got help from a website or any other, from his teacher. Then he was able to finally complete his project uh, and show it to his teacher. So this is how you can make storyboards. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Be happy, be safe. Okay.